Like she said, Nita. I heard you mouthed in Spanish. Look.
You gotta smile.
All right, let's
I don't
go.
know if he was in
That's
camera.
turning.
I don't think he was in camera.
Yeah, I don't think he was.
Que más o menos un día.
He came. Maybe nobody knows the character?
Better reactions.
I
I know the character, but I've never watched the movie.
You should watch it. It's actually scary.
Can I get Chipotle?
Yeah, I get Chipotle.
My mom? Your mom. See, look.
No, I didn't. Oh, look who's this. Oh my god! How are you?
I don't want to do makeup.
Hi, Sophie, how are you? You know, I don't know why, but your smile, your eyes, I'm like, and I didn't even see you, Sophie. I was like, it's gotta be Amy. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay, you came from a party?
No,
You just wanted to dress up?
I've been doing 31 days of Halloween on my YouTube channel.
Oh, how cool. How cool. That's awesome. You did the makeup yourself? Oh my God, you're so good, Amy.
Thank you.
You are so good.